This demonstration shows you how to use BTT Writer to check and edit your translation. It also shows you how to use the Bible resources that are included with many of the source texts. First, you'll see how to check and edit your translation. Begin by opening your project. Click the Edit Review icon. In the Edit Review view, you can see the source text and the translation side by side for easy comparison. You should check for any missing or added information, punctuation errors, mistyped words, and grammatical errors, as well as wording that may be awkward or unnatural in the target language. If you need to make corrections, click the pencil icon to enter Edit mode. Make the necessary changes and click the checkmark icon to save the changes and get out of Edit mode. When you are finished with the chunk, mark it complete by clicking the slider at the bottom right of the chunk. The pencil icon disappears. If you need to edit the chunk after marking it complete, just click the slider again, and the pencil icon will appear, enabling you to make changes. After making the changes, click the check mark to save your changes and get out of Edit mode. The Edit Review view also enables you to place the verse markers for each chunk. Ensure that you are not in Edit mode. Click and hold each verse marker and drag it to the beginning of each verse, dropping it on the first word of the verse. Continue until all verses are marked with a verse number. When you're finished, mark the chunk as done. The Edit Review view also contains Bible resources to help with checking. Scroll to the right of the screen. Each chunk has Bible resources that pertain to that chunk, arranged on tabs. You can click the tabs to see the notes, words, and/or questions that are available for each chunk. You can click the individual entries on each tab to see the information, which may contain links to other information as well. Click Close to dismiss the entry. There is also an additional tab that contains the text of the unlocked Dynamic Bible for comparison.